In this video, we listed the 5 best robot vacuum for pet hair that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. ECOVACS Deebot X2. The ECOVACS X2 Omni is a cutting-edge robot vacuum and mop combo designed for ultimate hands-free cleaning. Featuring an impressive 8,000 pascals suction power and a unique 15mm auto mop lifting capability, it effectively transitions between hard floors and carpets while preventing unnecessary mopping on carpeted surfaces. This innovative device boasts an all-in-one Omni station that self-empties, washes mop pads with hot water, and uses hot air drying to maintain cleanliness and eliminate odors. Enhanced by intelligent dual laser lidar navigation and AI-controlled AIVI 3D 2.0 obstacle avoidance technology, the X2 Omni adapts to complex environments, ensuring thorough cleaning in varying light conditions. The dual rotating mopping system, modeled after human movement, provides a deep clean with robust mopping pressure and speed. Users can effortlessly control the vacuum through its dedicated app, voice commands via the Eco Assistant, and even monitor their homes in real time with the integrated Starlight camera. With its efficient design and advanced features, the ECOVACS X2 Omni is ideal for pet owners and those seeking a comprehensive cleaning solution for their homes. Number 2. Roborock S8 MaxV. The Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra is a powerful robot vacuum and mop combo that features advanced cleaning capabilities, including a remarkable 10,000 pascals suction power and a diverse set of intelligent technologies. With its innovative corner-to-edge cleaning design, the vacuum utilizes a FlexiArm design and Viberize 3.0 sonic mopping system, enabling simultaneous vacuuming and mopping, while effectively tackling dust and stubborn stains with high-speed scrubbing. The device employs reactive AI 2.0 obstacle recognition and pre-sense lidar navigation to identify and navigate around various objects, ensuring uninterrupted cleaning. Its built-in intelligent voice assistant allows for simple voice commands to initiate cleaning tasks, while the all-in-one dock offers automated emptying, hot water mop washing, and self-cleaning features for minimal maintenance. Additional pet-friendly functionalities, such as video calling capabilities and the ability to take photos of pets during cleanups, enhance the user experience, making the Roborock S8 MaxV Ultra an impressive and efficient solution for maintaining a spotless home. Number 3. Dreame X30 Ultra. The featured auto maintenance technology in the X30 Ultra vacuum provides a hands-free cleaning experience by autonomously emptying its dustbin, refilling water for mopping, and washing both the mop and washboard, which saves valuable time and ensures continuous cleanliness. Enhanced with Mop Extend RoboSwing technology, the vacuum can effortlessly glide under low-profile furniture, accessing hard-to-reach areas such as corners and edges with a clearance of 1.57 inches. Its advanced capabilities include smart dirt detection, mop re-washing, and floor re-mopping, allowing it to effectively tackle stubborn dirt by cleaning floors twice for a truly mess-free environment. Boasting an impressive 8,300 pascals suction power, the vacuum can handle heavy messes on both carpets and hard floors, ensuring the removal of hair, dirt, and other debris. Additionally, the personalized cleaning feature enables users to adapt the removable and liftable mop according to the carpet type, effectively maintaining dry and clean surfaces. The device also features an auto-cleaning station that minimizes manual maintenance by cleaning the washboard alongside the mop. With AI action and 3D structured light technology, the X30 Ultra recognizes and avoids over 70 types of objects, navigating obstacles efficiently even in low-light conditions. Designed for optimal performance, it operates on a 2.4G Wi-Fi network, providing a detailed cleaning experience. Number 4. iRobot Roomba J9 Plus. The iRobot Roomba J9 Plus is an advanced robot vacuum designed for optimal cleaning performance on both carpets and hard floors. Featuring a robust suction capability that is 100% stronger than previous models, it effortlessly removes dirt and debris. Its innovative dirt detective technology enables the robot to learn from past cleaning sessions, adjusting its priorities and suction accordingly. Enhanced with precision vision navigation, the Roomba J9 Plus smartly recognizes and avoids common obstacles, including pet waste, ensuring a hassle-free experience for pet owners. Notably, it boasts self-emptying capabilities, depositing debris into a bag that can hold waste for up to 60 days. Additionally, the mapping technology allows for comprehensive layout of your home to be created 7 times faster than earlier models, enabling efficient cleaning at your convenience. With a 3-stage cleaning system utilizing dual brushes and advanced suction, the Roomba J9 Plus is engineered to tackle even the toughest messes while keeping maintenance to a minimum. Number 5. ECOVACS Deebot N8 Pro Plus. The ECOVACS Deebot N8 Pro Plus is a versatile robot vacuum and mop that combines advanced features for efficient cleaning. Equipped with LiDAR navigation and carpet detection, this cordless device excels in both carpet and hard floor surfaces. With a sleek black design and compact dimensions of 13.9 inches by 13.9 inches by 3.69 inches, it integrates seamlessly into any home environment. The N8 Pro Plus offers convenient control options through Amazon Alexa, Google Assistant, remote control, and an app, allowing for user-friendly operation. It boasts a powerful 2,600 pascals suction capability, effectively removing dirt and debris while maintaining low noise levels. Its unique self-emptying station holds up to 30 days of dirt, enhancing convenience, and the TrueDetect technology prevents obstacles from interfering with its cleaning path. Highlighted in the Better Homes and Gardens Clean House Awards 2022, the Deebot N8 Pro Plus is a trusted choice for over 500,000 users, making it an exceptional addition to any cleaning routine.